This video will introduce the data adaptation features of the shinobicharts Advanced Charting Kit. The first type of data adaptation we'll look at is sampling, which shows a subset of your data points to reduce noise in the data. The fixed point sampler controller maintains a set number of points on screen at all times. The multi-zoom sampler controller makes it easy to use different samplers based on the chart's current zoom level. As we zoom in, you'll see that the chart renders more data points. Conversely, as the chart zooms out, fewer data points are displayed. This chart shows the Raman-Douglas-Poyker sampler in action. Based on the value of epsilon, the sampler will remove unnecessary data points that complicate the dataset. As well as sampling data points, Advanced Charting Kit provides data smoothers that supplement the original data with new points. The midpoint smoother is perfect for showcasing trends in the data, due to its ability to avoid tending too close to anomalous data points. If you wish for the curved line to travel through all data points, the Catmull-Rom Spline Smoother has you covered. Advanced Charting Kit makes it easy to add samplers and smoothers to your chart. Why not download a trial and see for yourself?